Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So happy 15th of December. Ho ho ho. Yay, it's getting a bit closer. So we've got 3 advent calendars to open today. Our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, our Diamond Painting Deutschland, and our Fancel Snowman box. I have finally finished one of the items from the Diamond Painting Deutschland advent calendar. So we've got the welcome gnomes, sort of Christmassy, but I think it will probably stay out most of the year because I've noticed it's got little hearts on it, look. Aren't they cute? Red crystals and little white Aurora Borealis coated white gems. So yay, they just look like little hearts from a distance. And I love the gingham here and that little bit of lilac. And yeah, I think that's really cute. So that's a little wooden sign that as soon as I've finished filming this video, we'll be going downstairs. Lots of gems left over, and there were DMC codes and crystal codes on the back. So yeah, we can put them away as well. So that's my first completion. Go me! Right, so what shall we look at first? Let's look at the Diamond Painting Deutschland one because it's quite a biggish package. It's sort of that size, so we'll see what we've got this time. Right, see if we can open it carefully. Everything seems to be scattered all over again at the moment on my desk, but anyway, what the heck, it's nearly Christmas. I'm just pleased today that they've not fallen off the desk. So hubby's just having a quiet sleep downstairs, so I've nipped upstairs to open this and see what we've got this time. Oh, look at this. So what have we got? Oh, it's a notebook. I'm thinking, well, it's felt a bit different to a purse, but no, it's a notebook. So it's like a mandala style. We've got like a mandala style there. And it's the black faux leather, so let's get it out of the packet. Yeah, it's a little bit late in the afternoon again when I'm filming this, so dark as ever. It actually was a bit lighter this morning, but yeah. Ooh, some lovely colours and crystals in there. Right, it's a soft backed cover on it. And oh, this one's a drawing book or a sketchbook. There are no lines on any of the pages on these, so there's usually about 50 pages. I'm not going to count them. They are actually quite a nice thickness. Probably about a 90 GSM, 80, 90 GSM. Oh, maybe they're not as thick as I thought they were. Maybe it was just the cover sheet to the notebook that I was feeling. Yeah, it was the cover sheet. So if you were using alcohol markers or anything on this, you would need to put something underneath to absorb the ink. But yeah, very pretty. Lots of specials, lots of different colours. So liking that pattern there. Yeah, very handy as well and good as presents. You know, most people will write down something at some point. Even everybody that's got a phone tends to grab a pen when they're on the phone to write something down. I've got one that I use as like a notebook for whatever greetings cards I've made. So yeah, I mean, you could put lines in it if you wanted to. I tend to find if I start writing on a page without any lines on it, then my writing tends to go like that. And it just sort of like snakes down, and then I end up with very peculiar looking writing. Well, more peculiar than it normally is anyway, because my writing's terrible. So yeah, okay, so that's very useful. Normally about £6 or £7 these, I think, so very good. I mean, if you wanted to get somebody into diamond painting, then there are quite a lot of gems on this. There is quite a good coverage of gems. It is classed as a partial because there are bits that don't have any gems on, and we do have some gaps where the larger gems go, the special shapes, but on the whole there is quite a few gems on that one. So let us see what we've got. Okay, how many colours have we got? Oh, we've got ABs and we've got a hot pink. Yes. So we are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 unlucky for some. Wow. This is going to be so colourful. I think I might have to keep this one. Mandalas aren't really my favourite thing. I do prefer my cute and cuddly, but that has just got so many colours on it, and I do like the pattern as it's going out. That's quite nice. Yes, I might have to keep this one. Okay, so we're starting off with a blue AB coated gem. So very nice, very sparkly. So the colour is the colour of the gem underneath, and then they just add that iridescent coating on, so you get like the Northern Lights effect. Wow. And then we've got a hot pink, yes, and a jadey green, and a lovely sea blue, and a lovely bright lemony colour, and a sunny yellow, and a nice royal purple, and then our special shapes. We've got your rounds in your honey gold. Oh, look at those, they're pretty. They're a marquee in purple with an iridescent coating. Sorry, I'm trying not to get the glare, but it's not working very well. We've got some teardrops in like a slaty grey blue colour. Ooh, they're pretty. And we've got our owl claws, which are the orange. With the iridescent coating on. Ooh, and some seashell shapes. So they're a teardrop. They're printed a little bit like a seashell, and they've got an iridescent coating on. And then some different shaped orange ones with, oh no, there's no iridescent coating. So what's the difference between those? Oh, they're a larger size. I was going to say, I'm sure we've already had those, but no, they are a larger one. I think we can more or less see where they all go. So we start off with our larger ones. Our seashells are all around on the blue, and our orangey ones are probably all here, and the pale blues are all here, and our marquees are all along in the hot pink, and then the smaller ones are all here. Oh, and we've got some there as well, look. So yay, very nice. I've had a present every day in December, isn't that great? That's the joy of having advent calendars. So let us see who we've got in National Lampoons today. And we'll bring our little snowman onto the desk as well, because I do like the little smiley face. Just pop that one there as well. Okay. So, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Because I've liked a couple of photographs and a couple of things that people have put about this on Facebook. Now, every time I go on Facebook, I've got some sort of group or quote or picture of National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. So, yeah, I'm never going to forget about it. Oh, they've all slipped. The house windows are getting quite well opened now. We are on the 15th of December. Wow. 9 days to go. 9 days to go. So who do we think we've got in the 15th? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's not good, Liz. How have I managed to do that? It's fighting back. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's another person. Oh, I think that's Russ. I think that's the little boy. Yeah, so we're just about getting the whole family now, although we've not got Clark yet, have we? And the lady's name is Ellen. Thank you for everybody that told me. Yes, it's Ellen. I did eventually look it up as well and add it to the video. So, yeah, we just need Clark now. And then we've got the two children and Mum and Dad. So, yay. And then we've not got Uncle Lewis yet, have we, in this one? Hubby's got Uncle Lewis on his. So, definitely in very different orders. And the lady that's opening her advent calendar on TikTok that has the different shaped characters, they're like the similar to Hubby's but sort of bigger and not quite as well defined. In fact, I would think they're probably this size. So yeah, there's obviously lots of different ones going around. Yeah, so it's all been very strange. You just think when you see them and the packaging's all the same that they're all going to be the same, but they're not. I was just thinking, yeah, this says 25 pieces, but I think they're counting the box as one piece. So, oh yeah, we have got the moose cup there, look. And now then there's the squirrel there. I wonder if we'll get the squirrel. And it does say mini figures. Yeah, hubby's is the same. He's got the same thing on it. So bizarre, very bizarre. But anyway, I'm quite enjoying it. I was hoping to sort of keep this. Actually, what I could do is sellotape, put sticky tape along the back of all the windows, because I think it does open at the side. Yes, it does. Yeah, it opens at the side. And then I'll stick them all on the base, and then I can bring them out next year. Mind you, if I stick the doors, then packing it away might make it a little bit awkward. We'll see what we can do. We'll have a think about that one. So that's that advent calendar. Wow. 1 left then for today. And that is our snowman one. I still love this box. I still absolutely love this box. Which I've completely trashed this now, but never mind. Because it's, yeah, I've managed to open them. I've torn them a little bit and they're all a bit. But we can still see his jolly face and his little hands. So, does this one open that way as well? Yes, it does. Okay, so let's get this one open. Oh! Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a different one. Still large to be coming through that little gap. Oh, it's like a squiggly one. It's like all ribbons all up into little sort of bows, or, well, not bows, but little loops. Oh, I quite like that. That's very different. So it just needs a bit squishing out. It's got a little bit squished in the box. So they are quite different, these ornaments. I think I'm quite happy getting these. Let me just move that bag out of the way a second. So yeah, we've had a few different ones. I do like that one. That's right up there. But this is still my favourite. Still lovely. The drums. All the drums. And the little baubles and everything, and the bells. I do like the bells. I do think the bells are pretty as well. So, yeah, I'm doing quite well with these. I'm thoroughly enjoying opening them. So, that is the ones for today, scene. So, this one can stay on my red and gold side. So, I do keep on organising them and putting them in nice orders, and then they tend to start jumping off the desk and going in different places and things. So, not many left to go. Oh my goodness me. It's flying. So we've got 1 full week left before the big week. And then we've got a couple of days. And then it's Christmas Day. Yay! Millie will be opening lots of presents as usual. I've just got another one for her. Oh, I can't stop. It's terrible. I just keep seeing things and thinking, oh, she'd love that. But I think we're going to have a bit of a cull of her old ones as well. The ones with the holes in, that when she shakes them, all the stuffing goes everywhere. We might just have to sneak those away so that the new ones can take their place. Okay, there is a second video coming up tonight. I've got a GBFKE unboxing, so that will be on at 8 o'clock, half an hour after this one goes live. So we'll keep this one a little bit shorter so that you've got time to watch it and then go and watch the other one as well. Hopefully. Thank you very much for everybody that's watching. I'm getting lots of views at the moment, doing really well on the views, so thank you, really appreciate it. And thank you for all your comments. I've had some wonderful comments too, and some great ideas as well. I think what I'm going to have to do is start reading out some of these ideas. I know I keep saying it, but I must start doing it, because you really do all come out with some great ideas, and I do enjoy reading them. So today we've had our lovely notebook. I do love that. I don't know what it is about that pattern particularly. I know it's like a mandala style, but it really does appeal to me. Very, very pretty. And I do love the colours. We've got a hot pink and some very different gems in that one, so we do like that one. And then our National Lampoons. So yeah, we're carrying on with that little story there in this house. Is the 24th a bigger one? No, I think I've asked that before. No, I think it is exactly the same size. Oh, we've got torn there, look. How's that happened? I've been a bit rough with it. It's got torn. Oh. And then our lovely little squidgy for today. Very different that, really. Probably quite easy to do, but quite, oh, it's quite tactile as well. A bit like a fidget toy, you can sit and squidge it. And yeah, it just goes back to its shape again. I like that. Excellent. Okay, well, as I said, there is another video following this one at 8 o'clock, so if you log on to see that one, if you've got your notifications on, you will get the video to say that I've uploaded a new video as well. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe down there and click on that all notifications bell, and then you won't miss any videos that come out. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And as I say, come and join our little family, see what we get up to next, and don't miss anything by pressing that subscribe button there. I've got it twice in one video. Okay, well, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon, hopefully later on and then tomorrow. Bye for now.